Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a product or seller on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. After that, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, you can see customer service option. Click on it. Now, you can find solution for almost every issues you can find on Amazon. So scroll down until you see report something suspicious. Here, under report something suspicious, it is scroll to the right side. You can see report a suspicious product or seller. Simply click on it. Now you can start chatting with the Amazon customer service, or you can also request a phone call to provide the information in detail. And that's it. That's how we can report a product or seller on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.